So today I thought I'd do a little introduction on the Zip Level Pro 2000. There's two different models. So you have the Pro model and the B model. So what to expect when you open up your box. You got some instructions, some information here. But it does come in this all-inclusive box. Now I'll explain to you the difference between the two. A little bit of a breezy day here. A nice little compact unit. And I'll point out the couple of differences between the Pro and the B model. You're going to have your line is in here. Again, this kind of works off the same as a water level. So you have this unit. It has a rubber protecting coating. This does come with the 2000 model. The 2000 model has 100 foot of cord, as opposed to the B model having 75 feet of cord. This model comes with, they call this a unipod. You can call it a foot or whatever you want. This is retractable. And what this does is this screws into the bottom of your receiving unit, which takes a recording or a record of the elevation. This just screws into here. So those are the main differences. An extra 25 foot of cord, unipod, rubber protective cover. The B model comes with only 75 feet of cord. What this allows you to do is set your unit here, the housing unit, in an area, and obviously you got 100 feet either way, so they're giving you a 200 foot diameter. You're just going to set this, and again, this is really what's recording the elevation. So wherever you lay this, it does have the rubber feet on it. So you want this to always sit somewhere nice and flat. You don't want to move this after you've got it set. It also comes with, and built into here, is your stakes. So if you have an area where you're going to really be pulling a line, or maybe around some corners, you can put these right down to the ground, and that'll keep this stable, so you're not going to move it or twist it when you're pulling it out. So really nice compact unit. And this locks right in there. So what you're going to do is set this flat. I can drag this out any point on my job site, and wherever I set this, and I zero it out, it's going to set at 0. Then anywhere I move this point on my job site, it'll give me that exact elevation. Again, it can be done in inches, it can be done centimeters, however you want to lay it out. This will scale to it. I can hold my dimensions, so I can hold it, so I can maybe take a minute to write it down so I don't lose the dimension that's on there. A lot of neat little features that this has, and our estimators use them. So they'll go out to a job site, just like you see in here behind us. It's got a lot of up and down elevations. They can come to the job site when they're bidding the job, get a 0 elevation, and they know the exact location or heights of all the different spots that they want to build in a particular site. So hopefully this is helpful, and then we'll get this fired up and show you how exactly it can work and benefit you. So on this particular site, I'm kind of looking here and finding the central spot where I can kind of get my elevations laid out. Obviously, a site already here, we built it already, but I just wanted to show you how this was used originally when we came out to the site with the existing wall here, existing pool, obviously in the process of being built. But with the unit here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to unlock it, I'm going to pull out my receiver unit, and I'll lay this again nice and flat on site. Make sure it's locked in so I can pull it out. And just to show you how this actually works, on this here you're just going to have your on-off switch. And this is set up now, you'll see in the right-hand corner, feet. If I hit scale and hold it every 2 seconds, it'll switch. That's feet and inches, centimeters, meters, inches again, inches and decimals, or inches and fractions. So it can lay out to most any scale that you might be comfortable with. I do like the feet with inches when I'm laying it out. So the way I would normally lay out the job site, existing, that the concrete pad up top, the stamp-free, existing cultured stone, that was obviously there to start. And again, using it without the unipad, I just pulled my cord out. I'm going to set it up here on this site. This is where I want the 0, and there's a marking on here that says 0. So I just push and hold 0. You hear the beep. Now it's zeroed out. So anywhere I move this receiver right here is going to give me whatever elevation I want. So for instance, if I come down here, and on this job, there obviously is a few things that are crucial that we're going to have to work with, and it's that concrete pad. The other one is the pool. So as I drag my cord out, I come over here to my pool coping. As you can see here, 3 foot, 10 and 5/8 inches. Now say I have my plan and my plan is maybe somewhere else and I don't want to forget that. I can push hold and that'll hold that marking. Now you can see here, 3 feet, 11 inches, and it's on hold. So when I want to release that, I just put it off and it'll tell me again. So my entire job site now, I've got my concrete pad, I've got my pool coping. A couple of the things I'm gonna need to deal with here is the backyard. Slopes off quite a bit on the back side. So I'm gonna drag that over. I'm gonna get a reading there. And also on the right side, a set of stairs is going down to a back door. So I'll get that reading also.